The National Police will intensify its campaign against loose firearms and organized crime groups. Among the targets are politicians having private armies. Aljo Bendijo with the details.
As the election fever peaks, criminal activities also rise up in the country as robberies and other organized crime gangs strike almost every week, targeting banks, pawn shops, and even 24 hours convenience stores. The police authorities are now verifying reports that one of the reasons why these groups are brave enough to unleash their criminal skills even during broad daylight is that they are being used by their patrons. Reports reveal these supporters are wealthy politicians. Worst, some of them are high-ranking military and police officers. With this, the CIDG intensifies its campaign against loose firearms. This is to eradicate the proliferation of illegal guns and eventually neutralize organized crime groups including private armed groups.
Hindi natin may mga reports sa atin na may inalagaan ng mga politiko. Actually, may mga report din sa atin na yung mga iba ay it's either active members ng PNP or military and other law enforcement agencies. Pero ang mga konpo ay for raw informations.
Records show there are 86 existing private armed groups in 30 provinces in the country today. Only one non-politician was listed by the police as leader of the so-called PUGs.
So far as of this date, marami tayong na-accomplish na operations, magagandang operations when it comes to PUGs, campaigns against PUGs at saka loose firearms. And we intend to do more as the election is approaching.
Police earlier said that they are having difficulties to crack down private armies because they are not really armies in the sense that they have no barracks or regular quarters. They are not always with a patron, not in uniform, and some of them are legally armed. Some of them are even contractual employees or legally employed by local government units as civilian volunteers.
Pag-recruit ng mga informant coming from the population or sa mga civilians through the recruitment ng CIS or Citizen Investigative Connected Support civilian. So, yun po yung nakita ng ang pamunuan ng CIDG upang madagdagan yung aming suporta or mga informants galing po sa mamamayan.
For the People's Television Network, I am Aljo Bendijo.